Are you happy, or are waking up each morning to an unhappy, meaningless reality? This nightmare is real, and you need to get out, discover the secrets to break free, and reclaim your life back. Have you ever heard of Plato's Allegory of the Cave? Plato wrote this story over 2,400 years ago, and still it serves as a very important lesson for us to learn today. In this video, we'll explore 5 steps inspired by Plato's allegory to escape the metaphorical cave and unlock a deeper and true understanding of the world. Plato's Allegory of the Cave is a story about a group of prisoners that had been chained since birth, facing a blank wall. They couldn't move their heads and knew nothing of the world outside the cave. Behind them, a fire burned, casting shadows of objects carried along a raised walkway between the fire and the prisoners. For the prisoners, these shadows were the entirety of their reality. One day, one prisoner was freed. At first, the light of the fire was blinding. He turned around and saw the fire, realizing the shadows were mere reflections of real objects. Driven by curiosity, he moved towards the cave's entrance. Emerging into the sunlight, he was initially overwhelmed by the brightness. Gradually, his eyes adjusted, and he saw the world in vivid colors and true forms. Trees, sky, animals, and the sun, which was the source of all light and life. Astonished by this newfound reality, the freed prisoner felt compelled to return to the cave and enlighten the others. Re-entering the cave, he struggled to see in the darkness and to convince his fellow prisoners that the shadows on the wall were not real. He described the outside world full of beauty and truth, but the prisoners were skeptical and resistant. They clung to their familiar shadows, mocking and rejecting his revelations, believing he had lost his mind. For God's sakes, please don't be that trapped prisoner embracing the shadows. Our world is full of them. So the question is, where are you? Are you in the cave or out? Is your reality right for you? Do you fit in? Because if you don't, you better change it. Far too many people are too ignorant and accept everything at face value. Step 1, recognize the shadows. Identify the negative aspects of your current environment that hinder your happiness. These can be toxic relationships, cluttered spaces, or unhealthy routines. Acknowledge these elements as the shadows that prevent you from experiencing true fulfillment. Awareness is the first step towards making positive changes. Congratulations on taking that first step out of the cave. Now let's talk about the second step, seeking new perspectives. Learn, engage with diverse literature and educational resources. Reading books and articles on various topics can expose you to new ideas and ways of thinking. Get out and explore the world. Experiencing different cultures and environments through travel can expand your worldview and inspire new ways of living. Connect with the right people. Talk to people from different backgrounds and with different viewpoints. Open-minded discussions can provide valuable insights and help you understand complex issues from multiple angles. Try new things. Experiment with new hobbies or activities that interest you. This could include learning a musical instrument, painting, or volunteering. New activities can enrich your life and provide fresh perspectives. Now that we've questioned the world and looked inward, it's time for step 3, making tough decisions. If you truly want to change your environment, you will have to make some difficult choices in your life. So what are they? Well, you probably already know. Your career choice is first. Are you happy? Do you feel fulfillment and joy in what you do? Dig down deep and be truthful to yourself. Don't let the money or prestige cloud your decision. If your answer is no, well then that will be the first tough decision you will have to act upon. Finding a new career that brings joy and fulfillment in your life. Next, you need to ask yourself, do you have a work and life balance? Work isn't life. Set boundaries to maintain a healthy work-life balance. To be honest, there should be a balance in the first place. We should be favoring life a lot more. Ask yourself, how many good years do you have left? Do you really want to prioritize something of such value to your work and career? Is it worth it? Now that we're questioning, seeking knowledge, and changing our environment, it's time for step 4. Developing mindfulness. Meditation is not weird, it actually helps. Just give it a try. Regular meditation practice can help cultivate mindfulness. Techniques such as mindful breathing and meditation can reduce stress and improve emotional regulation. It may seem ridiculous, but this actually works. Taking moments throughout the day to focus on your breath can help you stay grounded and present. Mindful breathing calms the mind and reduces anxiety. There are so many apps out there to help you, so why not give it a try? Be grateful for what you have and have accomplished so far. Reflecting on things you are grateful for can shift your focus from what's lacking to what's abundant in your life. Keeping a gratitude journal or acknowledging moments of gratitude can enhance your well-being. We've arrived at the 5th and final step, the pursuit of continuous growth. What are your goals in life? If you can't answer this, start now. Establish clear, achievable goals that give you a sense of direction and purpose. Regularly reviewing and adjusting your goals helps you stay motivated and focused on your growth. Challenges are great. Embrace them. View challenges and setbacks as opportunities for growth and learning. Embracing difficulties with a positive attitude can enhance your resilience and self-confidence. Be in it for the long run. Continuously seek knowledge and learn new skills. This could involve formal education, online courses, workshops, or self-directed learning. Staying curious and engaged in learning fosters personal growth. Always self-reflect on your actions. Regular self-reflection allows you to assess your progress, celebrate achievements, and identify areas for further growth. Reflection helps you gain insights into your behavior and make informed decisions. We've covered a lot today, but I hope you found it valuable. Remember, you owe it to yourself to live in a reality where you can be happy. Never accept what you have right now to be the best, or that it's right for you, or that it will remain so. All you need to do is take the first step. These 5 steps are a lifelong practice, a journey of pushing ourselves to see beyond the shadows. Answers are doors waiting to be opened. We have so much more to show you. Hit that subscribe button, give a like, and join our community for more amazing content that seeks the truth.